Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is me Naushad Ahmed and you are watching my YouTube channel Naushad Magic English Hub. Friends, how are you? After a long time I have been here and today we have taken a new video. सब कुछ keywords आए हैं. वीडियो को पूरा देखिएगा. वीडियो अगर पसंद आए शेयर कीजिएगा, लाइक कीजिएगा. ज़्यादा बड़ा वीडियो नहीं है, वीडियो बहुत छोटा है. कीवर्ड है लेस, फीवर, whom, whose, many, much, एवरी, वेरी, लिटिल एंड अ लिटिल. चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं. Okay friends, so very first word, let's see the difference between less and fewer. Less, it is used for the comparative of some adjective and adverb. Whenever we compare between two adjective and adverb, we use less. Let's see the example. I have less money than my friends. I have less money than my friends. Okay, fewer, it is used for countable nouns and individual items. See the examples. People order fewer bottles of wine now. People order. Okay, next we are having the different and the uses of whom and whose. Whom, it is an objective pronoun like him or her. We use whom to which person receive an action. Example, you can see, he is my neighbor whom I like a lot. Whom I like a lot. Whose, it is an possessive pronoun like her, his or her. Second, we use whose to find out the owner of anything. See the example. Whose notebook was stolen in the class? Whose notebook was stolen in the class? And next we have to see, and that is much. How we use much? It is used for the quantity of uncountable thing, like how much water do you drink in a day? How much water? Many. Let's see the definition. It is used for the quantity of countable things. Example, we can see here, many boys are playing the game in the field.